If you're allergic to cats but still love them, you might want to meet these sneeze-friendly breeds. Cat allergies aren't about the fur. They're due to a protein called FeLD, one found in saliva, skin and dander. When cats groom, it gets everywhere. But some breeds produce less FeLD1. Meet the Siberian big, fluffy and surprisingly lower in allergens. Next up, the Balinese elegant and gentle on your nose. The sleek Oriental Shorthair, less FeLD1. Russian Blue's dense coat traps allergens. And the Devon Rex and Cornish Rex, tiny coats, fewer grooming sessions. Remember, even hypoallergenic cats can cause reactions. Spend time with the breed first. Got a low allergy kitty or wish you did? Tell us in the comments.